Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Maisto Bugatti Divo Special Edition. This is a much smaller version. Usually it's like a bigger model like these, like the 1/18 scale. But this is a much smaller version of the car, so yeah. It looks pretty cool, red Divo. Gotta go here, I think, and you pull it open, which these are kind of hard to do. But you just go like that, you pull it open, and the door opens. I think you have to pull it out with no string. You pull that out, then you push it out, if I'm correct. You open the door, then you really hope I didn't break anything. That kind of scared me for a bit. Yeah, both of these seem fine, but here is the car, the Bugatti Divo. Got string, scissors. I would have had some cleaner. Yeah, this is, I don't want to like damage the car, because these are like not really that good scissors. Freaking scissors, man. There we go. Hopefully I didn't cut anything. Let's get the string out of there. Did I break the light? No, I didn't. So let's just pop the door open. And the thing about these cars is that when you move the steering wheel, it doesn't actually work this time. Usually when you turn the steering wheel, the wheels turn. This one's just straight, it only goes forward. But yeah, it is a very good model. There's also a blue version of this that I have in a much bigger spec. Very detailed car, pretty good for the price. It is a nice red with the blue outlining. The wheels are very nice with the France flag and that Bugatti motor in the back. You can see it right there. But yeah, overall this car is a pretty nice model. Anyways guys, just want to show you this, and yeah, hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you guys later. See ya. Look at that, very nice model. Divo at the back too. It's pretty good. See ya.